In today's video, we are reviewing AVKANS NDI Camera PTZ camera. And the best part is the official NDI streaming for super smooth video, even on low bandwidth networks. I have provided the link to this PTZ camera in the description below at the best price in the market, so feel free to check it out. Now let's talk about why this AVKANS camera is such a great choice for live streaming and video production, especially if you want a clean and professional look without spending a fortune. First, you get a powerful 20x optical zoom, which means you can zoom in close on a speaker, pastor, performer, or presenter without losing sharpness, making it perfect for churches, school events, weddings, conferences, and live shows. The video quality goes up to 1080p at 60 frames per second, so movement looks smooth and natural, and the colors look real and clear. It also performs well in low light, so your video won't look noisy or blurry in darker rooms. One of the biggest advantages is the multiple video outputs, because you can use NDI HX over Ethernet for modern IP workflows, HDMI for simple setups, 3G SDI for long cable runs up to around 100 meters, and even USB video output, so you can use it like a webcam for Zoom calls, online classes, or streaming from a laptop. This makes it super flexible for almost any setup, whether you're a beginner or already running a multi-camera system. Setup is also beginner-friendly because you can control the PTZ movements and settings from a web browser or the free CMS software. And if you want to connect it to a controller or a switcher like Blackmagic ATM, it works great for that too. Another feature people love is post support. So you can power the camera and send video/control through one Ethernet cable, which keeps your setup clean and simple. And if you ever get stuck, AVKANS also offers support like training and help with setup, which is a big plus for new users. Overall, if you want a budget-friendly PTZ camera that looks professional, works with OBS, vMix, ProPresenter, StreamYard, Streamlabs, Wirecast, and more, this is a smart pick that delivers strong performance and reliability. So don't forget to check the link in the description below for the best deal available right now.